You are welcome to online lectures with Fraternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at biology, and we have a question on the board. The question says, a germinating seed requires oxygen, which is essential for A. Converting carbohydrate into glucose, B. Transporting energy from one part of the plant to another, C. The production of energy by oxidizing essential carbohydrates, D. Hydrolysis of protein. This question has to do with germination of seed, the condition necessary for germination of seed. Oxygen is one of these conditions. Now, I want to say one or two things about conditions necessary for germination. Number one is that the seed should be what? Viable. Number two, there should be adequate supply of water. Number three, the temperature should be optimum. Number four, there should be adequate supply of oxygen. Now, let me go back to the viability of the seed. If the seed is not viable, nothing will happen. Even if the three other conditions are met, nothing will happen. So the seed must be viable. Number two, water. You know, seed on their own are dry. So there is need for moisture. Very important before anything can happen. Then another point there is that water is necessary to serve as a medium for metabolic reaction. Number three is that water activates these enzymes that carry out these metabolic reactions. Yes, very important. Then, lastly, water helps to transport nutrients to the growing region of the embryo. That's for water. Now, temperature. For enzymes to act, there must be optimum temperature that must be met for enzymes to do what? Act. For oxygen, oxygen is very important in germinating seed. Germination is an energy-consuming process, and the oxygen is required for aerobic respiration that will give rise to the energy required to drive this germination process. You know, after photosynthesis, the food produced is stored in the seed. Seed is one of the storage region of what is produced after photosynthesis. Now, oxygen is required to break down this essential carbohydrate in this seed for energy to be released. This energy is now what will drive the germination process. Now, from these explanations, the question talks about oxygen. Let's go back to the options and see any of the options that fits in to the rule of oxygen. Let's go. A. Converting carbohydrates into glucose. This has nothing to do with oxygen. This one is, even though carbohydrate is glucose is the end product of carbohydrate, so this has nothing to do with what we're talking about. B. Transporting energy from one part of the plant to another. That's not true. C. Production of energy by oxidizing essential carbohydrates. Yes, these essential carbohydrates stored in this seed will be broken down when oxygen enters during what? Aerobic respiration. So I will take this. D. Hydrolysis of protein. No. So oxygen is required to break down or oxidize essential carbohydrates. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Farmeternity the Schoolboy. Follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Farmeternity the Schoolboy. It's on the screen. On a monthly basis, I organize online academic competition. I tagged Academic Battle with Farmeternity the Schoolboy. It's a free online competition, and the one that is coming up next is on 7th January 2023. I tagged it Mathematics Battle 3.0 with Farmeternity the Schoolboy. If you are interested in participating, chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll send you the link for registration. If you are interested in sponsoring this, please chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll send you account details. Any amount of money you're able to donate will go a long way encouraging our children to pursuing academic excellence. Please like my video, comment, share with your friends, with your colleagues, your children, your students. Someone out there may need these lectures. God bless you. See you next time.